Guys, ito yung tornado na bahay na tinamaan dito. So umakyat ako dahil yung furnace chimney is gone.
Holy crap!
So we're gonna build something square. Yeah. It's a big mess for tornado here. I'll show you guys. There, right there. Pulling out all the trees. Eh, ito yun guys, oh, sa tornado, oh. Wow. Ayan. Look at there guys, oh, like wow, it's a big tornado was banging around yesterday. All the trees is gone. Yeah. Alright, we'll fix this thing. So the chimney cap was gone here. Grabing pinsala guys sa tornado dito, first time. Oh. Lahat na puno, bigak. Lahat. Oh, grabe guys, oh. Ng puno, tanggal talaga, buwal lahat ng puno dito, pati yung bahay na bagsak at chimney lang. Yun, oh, durog lahat ng puno guys, oh. There, tumawag yung operator ng ano. Grabe. Grabe yung pinsala ng tornado na to, oh. Wow. Ubos lahat ng puno. Ito rin, oh. Buwal yung mga puno sa harap ng bahay. Oh, liparan yung mga atip nila, oh. Grabe. First time, oh, buwal, oh. Kabilaan yan, oh. Grabe, oh. Oh, ito guys. So yan, yan mas malala yan, oh. Buwal yung ano, garahe. Ito yung trailer, no. Grabe, ah. Ito may mga ano sila dito, mga community na nagtutulong-tulungan. Libre lang yan, no. So, grabe. Buwal. Alright guys, have a good day.